This video is going to be exploring the free slot search functionality, which can be used from the appointment ledger or overview. To set up the free slot search configurations, you need to have the appointment administrator access right. We are going to be creating presets for the free slot search screen. These are useful to give staff who book appointments regularly a quick way to find any available appointments based on certain criteria. Rather than having to look through all your rotas to find available slots, you can find these in a few clicks. Navigate to Set Up Appointments Free Slot Search Configuration. Select New and give the configuration a name. All of these filter options tell the system what kind of criteria the appointments need to match. For instance, I know that only these staff members can take bloods. This can be done on any day of the week, but because it's urgent, I only want the system to look for appointments available within the next week. If applicable, I can also specify which site the rota needs to be held at. This is useful if your organisation has branches. Lastly, I'm going to select which rota types and slot types the configuration should look for. When I select OK and then Close, I can now use this configuration. From here, I can now see the earliest available appointment for these criteria and book the appointment. Note that the bookmarks option is for an individual user's logon if they have their own preset appointment slot searches. These can only be given a number and cannot be labelled.